Now students are not bound to be at one place. They can gather knowledge from different places and then be there at different places at the same time. So virtual connect, this is the new reality that we need to live with. Online education changed the way that education system was prior to this pandemic situation. So we used to take lectures in the regular classroom, but then now it is all about going online and then teaching the students. Well, there are various things that I could share that those comes as a pros of this online education. As in now students are not having a limited knowledge which is getting shared by the faculty member inside the class, but it is the complete online learning. So faculty members at NIIT University are sharing the information which is not only about the particular course of that particular topic, but also that various other resource material which are available online. Nugget is a platform that we have developed at NIIT University, which is having all the features that one student may be looking for for joining any university, starting from the admission to joining any online classes or being physically here in the classroom in the university, or at the same time appearing in various assessments under various courses, clubs, projects, you name it. All different kind of features are being developed in this Nugget platform, and the vision of the university is that this is how the university should work in future as well. When we look at other universities and in most of the education system, they were not ready with online education. So when this pandemic hit, at that time, the education systems at various places were sharing the information of joining the classes via mails. So a student has to search for different kind of links of which class to be joined where on which platform. So that was the difficult phase that the students were going through. At the same time, the assessment portal also was not ready, so the online assessment become a very big challenge for these institutes. But at NIIT University, we'll say that we were ready for this online education, considering the background of NIIT. So this platform that we developed, as we call it as Nugget, now we have all different kind of features embedded in this system. So that way the online classes can be run from one place, and students may be sitting there in the physical classroom or in the hostel or at their home. From everywhere students can connect. Students sitting inside the classroom and the other places also, they can communicate with each other and the faculty can respond to that. Also sharing the resource material becomes very easy using this Nugget platform. The most important thing is that now the student doesn't have to go to any different places. As in, you want to pay your fees, go to Nugget platform. You want to access any resource material, go to Nugget platform, and all different kind of features. So you just need to memorize only one student ID of the university, and all features are available at your doorstep.